how to existing website design handle here. So this is my new domain, like I am checking how we handle it, so leaving it now. So this domain is okay. So manage this domain, I can making website. So go all website, add a website, click and click it WordPress. So WordPress site how to handle. So putting here is to format and click next. Create a website, no need, build from scratch, and here need the installation. Another website already we have migrated like a zip file, so I am using this A1 backup, all in one backup set. So in this WordPress, this is our, so I am going the dashboard, this website dashboard. So when hit the admin, so I am going the admin dashboard. By admin dashboard and huge website, this is the very more than 1 GB file. So you can get here the plugin pages, plugins, then installing the plugin is all in one. So all in one plugin is below the check. Where is this? So this and export and backup. I'm clicking the backup here. So already backup file. So this is the 1.38. So I have already downloaded this. So I am going here. This website. So already site okay done. Now I am putting the plugin download, same plugin, upload the plugin, getting admin, okay. After going admin, you should upload the file. So how to upload the file? So again go the hosting guard dashboard. Hosting guard website. So here come the dashboard. And dashboard, click the file manager. Where is file manager? This is the file, open file manager. So in the open file manager, go to the public HTML OP content and this folder file, and here is upload. You should upload the file. So YouTube new folder, download this. So I am drag and drop here. Will it work? Yes, working. So speed is very slow. Speed is going very slow, but we should try. Only 1% completed, 2% completed, so we hope it will restore. When it will restore, and we will do the backup, just click the restore button, automatically restore the new domain. So best of luck, we are waiting. When it's completed, I will do share.